everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing a DIY on a customized denim vest. So if you're interested in this type of thing, please stay tuned, like and subscribe. Now, what I like doing is thrifting, as you know, and I thrifted this denim jacket with the purpose of doing a customized denim vest. So I do plan on removing the sleeves and doing a design here on the back, as well as doing some designs on the front here. And my inspiration is coming from these earrings because I love the vibrant colors in these earrings. And so I want to do a design that is organic and free-flowing, non-objective, just a design, not anything in particular. But we're going to see how this goes, and hopefully I can style it a bunch of different ways because you know I love styling. That's a big part of my channel as well. So you're going to need a denim jacket. You're going to need some other supplies. So if you're interested in doing this DIY, just stay tuned and keep watching. Well guys, let's start this easy DIY. I say easy because this is definitely for beginners. All you're going to need, like I said before, is a denim jacket. You're going to need a piece of cardboard, which is going to be your support for your jacket once we cut it up, and I'll show you that later. You're also going to need an assortment of markers. I am using Sharpies. They are permanent markers and they hold up to the wash very well. My earrings are my inspiration as far as color goes, so I will be using maybe yellow, red, black, and green, and gold for an accent. So these are the markers that I will be using to do my project. And you will need scissors as well. You might also want to get a sketchbook so that you can sketch out your ideas. I'm just using a pad that I have. It is lined. You can use lined or unlined, just something to jot down your ideas. So here is my sketch piece. I thought I would do a tree because I have such a fascination with trees. I just love trees, and I also love doors because I think they represent opportunity and growth. And so I just combined the two things together in this sketch, and I love the swirls because they remind me of Gustav Klimt. So I was also inspired by his work called The Lovers. As you can see, there are a lot of swirls in this picture that he did, and I'm incorporating that into the look and style of the tree. I also looked online, and there were quite a few representations of the tree of life, and some of them also had these kind of spiral-like designs. So I'm just combining all of those things together. So once the jacket is turned inside out, you want to make one small slit underneath the arm, just right here, close to the seam. And then you want to insert the scissors because you don't want to cut in one piece and have it uneven. So by making this little slit here, you can insert your scissors, and then you can cut along that seam around the circumference of your sleeve until the sleeve is completely removed. Now, depending on how much of a frayedness you want, you can cut further away from the seam or closer to. I'm going to cut close to the seam without actually cutting on the stitching. So now that I've started cutting, you can see I did turn the jacket inside out first. I made one slit underneath the armpit, and now I am cutting along the seam. Both sleeves have been cut, so I'm left with these two pieces here, as you can see. I'm going to now cut along this seam here for the denim bracelets that we're going to create from this same jacket. So I've cut one of the bands, as you can see. It looks like this, and I have it pulled kind of taut on the underside just so you can kind of see what it looks like with a tight fit. But if you want a looser fit, so you certainly can do a looser fit to the bracelet. And you can also like put beading on it. You could sew beading on it to style it. You could also like cut it and then sew it so that it's a little bit tighter fit, or add some more buttons. The options are endless, but this is like the starting point for the bracelet. I wanted this DIY to be very simple, so that's why I'm using minimal supplies, but right now the arms have been cut out and the cardboard is inserted behind the vest, as you can see, to give it a little bit of sturdiness and support.
Got this one. Got this one.
So the vest is completed and I'm ready to go out. I've decided to go for a kind of dressy casual look, dressy in the sense that I put on some heels with this, but I'm wearing boyfriend jeans. They're a bit loose fitting. I rolled up the pants leg for just a really casual look, and I think it goes well with the earrings and it looks nicely, and I'm loving that denim bracelet, just a nice accent for the overall look. It's very understated, not too flashy. I decided to not go with any bling, and this will fade over time with the wash, so it'll be more of a vintage look, and the edging of the sleeves will be frayed, so it'll even have a more distressed look, and it'll just get better over time. So this is the look, but if you want something a little bit more eye-catching, you could always do that and add a little bit of bedazzling to it, but this is just the look that I was going for. Now stay tuned for a couple of more looks and still photos. Be right back. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, to my channel. I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this DIY on customizing your own denim vest. So if you like this kind of thing, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you as part of the Noble Strength family. Let me know if you would take on this, project of doing your own customized denim vest. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. So let's get creative, and I'll see you next time. Bye.